Hi. In this video, I'm going to share 2 Excel tricks which can be used in day-to-day Excel activities. First, when you adjust columns manually in Excel. After India in that row, next row United States of America. Next row United Arab Emirates. Instead of manual adjustment. We can click Developer tab. If you don't have, click File, then Options, then click Customize ribbon. It's already added. You can click Add button if you don't have. Now, click on Developer tab, then Visual Basic. Double-click Sheet 1. Pick Worksheet and pick Change. Type target.columns.autofit. Now, when you type, United States of America, or United Arab Emirates. Now, let's just look how it works. It will fit automatically. Now we can go through second trick if you want to hide region sheet after clicking right button. It will be hidden, but it's not safe if you want to submit particular sheets to clients after hiding sheets. Instead, click Visual Basic, then click Sheet 2. The region sheet, click on Properties. On Visible, change as Very Hidden. Now, if you go Excel File, Region Sheet are hidden, it cannot unhide. Again, it has to change on Properties as Visible. Just practice this method, it's more safe than normal method. Thank you for watching, please share if you like.